Now, India's COVID-19 case count has crossed the 91 lakh mark. However, India's COVID-19 recovery rate remains above 93%, and the death rate also remains among the lowest in the world at 1.46%. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is all set to take stock of the COVID-19 situation later today, as he is all set to hold a meeting with chief ministers of 8 states. Cutting across to my colleague Sumi, who's live with us from Delhi Cant. Now, Sumi, you're standing at Delhi Cant, which is in Dhaulakuan, a crowded area, and right now it's 9:22 a.m. What's happening across where you're standing right now? Are COVID norms being followed? Are social distancing norms being followed? The situation in the national capital is grave right now. Over to you.
Absolutely, Adiraj. The situation is quite worrisome when it comes to the national capital, because the number of cases are rising on a constant basis. On everyday basis, we're receiving more than 6,000 to 7,000 cases. However, the number of cases reported in the last 24 hours were 4,400, more than that, and fatalities were more than 100, which is again extremely worrisome. We've done several reality checks from the trend-setting markets such as Sarojini Nagar, Okhla Mandi, and also Sadar Bazar, where we saw complete blatant ignorance for this pandemic, absolute disregard for this pandemic, and people were not really following social distancing norms, were not really wearing their masks in a fashion that is effective. And yes, the Supreme Court has also pulled states like Delhi, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Assam, and has asked for the latest report to be submitted ASAP on the preparations that these respective, governments are, taking for their states. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi is also about to, hold 2 virtual meetings today, which will commence at 10:30 and will run till 12. And first leg of the meeting will be held between 8 states, which are the worst affected, has the highest number of COVID cases, which will include Delhi, Gujarat, Kerala, West Bengal, Assam, and also, Gujarat. So these states will be in the first leg of the meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and the second leg of the meeting, which will be held with all other states and UTs. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi is also about to take stock of the situation. He has done that several times in the past as well. But since the situation is getting grave on an everyday basis, he is also stepping up his game. And Supreme Court has also asked and pulled up Delhi government for not doing enough. In fact, the Arvind Kejriwal government has also has been taking constant stock of the situation, and they are also working on the ground. The massive distribution of masks and sanitizers are also taking place in different nooks and crannies of the city. The MLAs, Aam Aadmi Party MLAs, are going all out to do whatever they can. And in fact, the pollution in the national capital, the mercury dip, is also making the situation more grave, because the mercury dip makes the pollutants the pollutants are settled in an atmosphere right now, and which is also one of the contributing factors as to why the number of COVID cases are on a constant surge. Which is why Raghav Chadha, we had an exclusive interview with Raghav Chadha yesterday, where he spoke that he also urged the respective state governments of Haryana, Punjab to come together and to deal with this grave issue, which is pollution, which is one of the major contributing factors to COVID, Adiraj.
Right, Maimai, thanks to me for reporting from Delhi Cant right now. That was my colleague who's standing at Delhi Cant, getting us the latest there. All eyes are now on Prime Minister Narendra Modi's meet with the chief ministers to take stock of the COVID-19 situation statewide in the country.